So in this video, we're just going to be having a look at the 2023 paper from June, paper 2, which is the practical paper. And this paper is mainly made up of Access and Audacity. So we're going to be having a look at the Access part. So we're going to read through the question now, and then there might be multiple videos in this playlist on how to solve this Access section. So it says you have been supplied with the following source files, j23cars.csv, and then they give us two MP3 files, that's for Audacity. Then j23 extras.csv and j23 paint.csv. You will create a database to store details of electric cars for Tuara Eco Cars. You must use the most efficient method to solve each task. All documents produced must be of a professional standard and suit the business context. The company has provided the following information. So they give you quite a bit of information here to read through, which is going to be important when you make your database. So it says each car has a unique registration number. The company manufactures 7 different models of car. The company has vehicles with following drive types: electric cell, dynamic electric, quantum drive, hydro drive, residual battery. The company manufactures cars in 8 different colors. The only extras available are cruise control, LED lighting, and satellite navigation. Each extra has a different cost. Cars can have 1, 2, or all 3 extras. The manufacturing cost and the sale price for each car will be calculated at runtime in a query called finance. The manufacturing cost is calculated at runtime by adding the costs of the car body, drive type, extras, and paint. The cost of the paint will be calculated as 200 multiplied by the color factor. The sale price of the car is 1,000 plus the manufacturing cost multiplied by 1.8. Usual local currency where appropriate. Store and display this to 2 decimals. All field names must be consistent, short, meaningful, and contain no spaces. Set referential integrity where appropriate. So now we're going to move to question 1, and you can see this is where we make the database, and it's for quite a lot of marks, 65 marks. Examine the files. So they're giving us the 3 CSV files, so we'll open those up and then use the data from these files and information provided to create a relational database, normalized to third normal form, 3NF form. Use appropriate data types, field lengths, and validation routines. And then you're going to save that database with the file name cars _ followed by your center number, candidate number. They give an example of how that should look. So for question 1, when you make this database, we are going to use the information provided on this previous page to help us as well. But the first thing to do is to use these 3 files to make tables which are of the third normal form. So that's going to be the first part. And then when we import those files into Access, we're going to set data types, field lengths, and validation rules. And some of the information from over here might help us to do so. So this is going to be the first question we're going to do. And we're going to do the first step in the next video where we're going to make our files in 3NF form.